Hi, I'm Brian from Outside Van, and I'm going to give you the quick overview of your Webasto heater with the SmarTemp Control 2.0. This controller is easy to use and extremely intuitive. It features a large LCD screen and is operated using a single rotary dial around the outside of the controller, which allows users to adjust their van's temperature with ease. Let's dive into the controls. You turn on the controller by pressing the on-off Webasto button. Turn right to increase the temperature and left to decrease. Each click represents 1 degree. Once you've found your desired temperature, press the bottom button, followed by the Webasto button at the top. Once the unit activates, the status indicator lights will illuminate red. When not in heat mode, you can access your menu by pressing the selection button at the bottom. This gives you access to your mode, language, temp unit, and options control. Under mode, you can change the operation of the heater between heat mode and ventilation mode. When in ventilation mode, your status indicator lights will illuminate blue. Under options, you have the control of the duration of your heat, low voltage, disconnect, password protection, preventative maintenance reminders, time and date, temperature offset, and default settings. To set a timer on your heater, select Timer in your menu. Select Edit from the submenu. Adjust and select the day. Time. And runtime. Settings are saved each time the selection button is pressed. In the case that your controller flashes red showing an error, you can access the last 5 error codes and the date through the menu system. You can use the Webasto app on your phone to read the error code and determine the issue. This might be helpful information and can potentially remedy a situation until Outside Van service team can assist you. Please note, the heater error codes cannot be reset through the unit. A dealer diagnostics tool will need to be used to clear your codes. If you have any questions about the procedures covered in this video, please reach out to our service and warranty department at service@outsidevan.com. See you on the outside.